I just got a new piece of tech in. It's called the NanoVNA. Nano for small, VNA for Vector Network Analyzer, recommended by a colleague, Tom Williams. So shout out to Tom here making this video for you. Just got the VNA in today and I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Already cut open the packaging. Haven't opened the box yet. So the NanoVNA, tiny little box here. This is the Vector Network Analyzer. And we're going to do a number of videos coming up on this Vector Network Analyzer, how to calibrate it, how to use it, but more importantly, how to use this little guy in the cable industry to do things like measure the length of coax cable, measure faults in coax cable. And the nice thing about this, and why I'm doing a video on this, is this little guy here only costs about $40. It comes with some calibration kits we need. It comes with a power cable for it. And then I'm going to have some recommendations on what I found for what we need to do to take this from these little SMA connectors on here. So these are very small 50 ohm connectors that are on here. And we need to go from 50 ohm to 75 ohm F connectors. I have some additional recommendations on that, how we go from a 50 ohm world to a 75 ohm world, and how we make all of this work and can actually utilize this for our own labs or maybe some outside field testing. This is going to be some exciting stuff, and I'm really interested in seeing what we can do with this in the cable industry. So follow up and more videos coming up. Thanks for watching.